The dead bug is a core exercise. It's working those abs. It's performed in a laying down position using either body weight, some dumbbells, or a ball. For the setup, we're going to lay back down on the mat, and we're going to raise our arms straight up so that we're stacking those joints. Shoulder, elbow, wrist, nice straight line. From here, I'm going to raise my knees so that my knees are over my hips and my feet are pointing out. Should be parallel, the bottom part of your leg should be parallel with the floor. Now that we're in position, you can see why it's called the dead bug. From here, I'm going to use my left hand and right foot first, and I'm going to extend those back and out as far as I can. Don't touch that hand to the ground or that heel to the floor, and then bring it right back to the starting position. Other side, right hand, left leg, out, and back in. And then just alternate. Out, and in. For breathing, we're going to inhale as our hand and foot reach out. Big inhale. And exhale as we come back to position one, the bug.